Welcome to this quick 15-minute yoga flow, great for beginner to intermediate level. If you have two yoga blocks, place them at the top of your mat for easy access in case you want to use them in some of the standing postures. When you are ready, find a comfortable cross-legged seat on your mat. Relax your shoulders away from the ears, rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. You can close your eyes for a moment to bring your attention inwards. Notice how you feel today. Notice your breath flowing into your body and out of your body. Take one more big full breath. And open your eyes. Place your fingertips onto your shoulders. With inhale, roll your elbows forward and up. With exhale, back and down, making big shoulder circles. Inhale, try to touch your elbows forward. Exhale, roll the shoulders back. Make your shoulders circles as big as you can. And now release your hands to your knees for seated cat and cow. Inhale, lift your chest forward, pull your shoulders back, gaze up. Exhale, round the back, drop your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round, widen the shoulder blades. Keep moving with your breath, arching the back as you inhale, rounding as you exhale. And now start circling your torso over your hips. Very intuitive movement, just move as it feels good. Warming up the spine and the hips. Few times in one direction. And then change direction. Come back to neutral seated position, extend your arms forward, make fists and roll your wrists out a couple of times. In one direction and then another. Place your hands forward in front of you, roll over your shins to come into tabletop position, hands and knees. Keep your toes tucked here. Press through your hands and toes and lift your knees off the mat, just a few centimeters. Brace here. We're beginning to warm up the body, the core muscles. One more breath. And push your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Adjust the distance between your hands and feet. Take any movements that you like in your first downward dog, maybe pedaling your feet, shaking your head, swaying the hips side to side. Then come to stillness. From downward facing dog, roll forward into plank pose, shoulders above the wrists. Adjust the distance between your feet and hands again if you need to. Couple breaths in plank. Keep pressing the floor away. Lower your heels to the right. Reach your left arm up for side plank. Inhale here. Exhale back to high plank. Shift to the other side. Right arm reaches up. Inhale. Exhale back to center. 2 times on each side. Inhale, side plank on the right. Exhale, back to center. Inhale to the left. Exhale, center. Last time. Inhale. Exhale in center. Inhale. Exhale, back to center. Push your hips back into downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your heels, bend your knees. Exhale, step, walk or jump forward to the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Knees can stay bent to start. With inhale, come up to standing. Circle your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Take one extra breath here. With your next inhale, lift your arms and chest into standing back bend. Bend your elbows, cactus in your arms. Stay here as you breathe, trying to lift your chest a little higher with each breath. One more time, inhale. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, half lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, step back to plank and lower down all the way or halfway down chaturanga. Inhale, small cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, step or jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward bend. Roll up to standing, reach your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, palms to your heart. One more time, a little faster. Inhale, arms reach up, bend the elbows, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale here. Exhale, make your way to the front of the mat. With inhale, lengthen the spine. With exhale, fall down. Come up to standing, reach your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale, lift your arms up, back bend. Exhale into forward bend. And from here, step your left foot back into lunge. Right knee bent over the ankle. If you need a little more space, you can use blocks underneath your hands here. Sink your hips down as you lift your chest up. One more inhale in lunge. Exhale, straighten your front leg for variation of pyramid pose. Flex your right foot, actively pull your toes towards you and balance on your right heel. We are moving into standing split from here. Lower your right foot down, step your left foot a little closer, hands underneath the shoulders as you lift your left leg high to the sky. Engage your left glutes to lift your left leg as high as you can. You can also hug your standing leg with your right arm to bring your torso closer towards your standing leg. Step your left foot to the back of the mat into lunge position. Come up to standing, bring your palms to your heart. With inhale, lean forward, keeping your spine long. Exhale, twist to the right, hook your left elbow to the outside of your right knee. Rotate your chest towards your thumbs. You can look up, down or forward, depending on what feels best for the neck. Come back to your high lunge. With inhale, circle your arms up, stretch up through the fingertips. Exhale, palms down to the ground for chaturanga. You can try to keep your right leg lifted for one leg chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale here. Exhale to the front of the mat. Half lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. And step your right foot back. Lunge on this side. Sink your hips down, lift your chest up. Use the blocks if you need to. One big inhale. Exhale, straighten your left leg. Flex your foot, pull your toes towards you. Move into half split. Lift your right leg high. Hands stay underneath your shoulders or hug your standing leg. Bring your chest closer towards your knee. One more inhale. Try to lift your right leg even higher. And exhale, step back into lunge. Bring your palms to your heart. With inhale, lean forward, lengthen the spine. With exhale, twist to the right. Keep pulling your upper shoulder back, twisting from your middle and upper back. Come back to high lunge. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, chaturanga. Maybe keep your left leg lifted. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward dog. Take one breath here. And then drop your elbows down for Dolphin Pose. Press your forearms into the ground. Elbows around shoulder width apart. Your knees can stay bent, heels lifted. And for the last few moments in Dolphin, try to walk your feet closer towards your face, staking your hips on top of your elbows and shoulders. And then walk your feet back, lower down to your belly, take a break in Sphinx Pose. Elbows underneath your shoulders, forearms parallel as you lift your chest up. Pull your shoulders back, gentle back bend. For the next variation of Dolphin, you can keep your forearms as they are or interlace your fingers. Make sure your elbows stay shoulder width apart as you lift your hips high and walk your feet as close to your face as you can, shifting a lot of weight into your forearms. You can simply stay here or add a little more challenge by lifting your right leg high, point your toes, breathe. Lower your right foot down, lift your left leg up. Keep pressing through your forearms. Really strong shoulders here. Lower your left foot down and walk your feet back into forearm plank. Shoulders above the elbows. Stay strong here, just one more breath. And lower your knees down. Sit back to your heels for child's pose. Arms can be stretched forward or back alongside the body. This variation feels nice for the shoulders. Take a few moments to calm down your breath. And then slowly come up to seated position. I hope you enjoyed this short practice. Let me know in the comments if you did. Thank you for practicing with me and see you next time. Bye!